Happy Monday. I hope you had a fabulous weekend and welcome back to our next week of distance learning together. I hope you are as excited as I am. Today is National Telephone Day, so maybe you should call someone today and tell them how much you love and care about them. It is also National Pretzel Day, so maybe eat some pretzels as a snack, and it's National Prime Rib Day. Now I'm hungry thinking about all this stuff. So I'm going to go through what you're going to be doing today. There is something new in our Google Classroom, and it is a greeting and a share. So you're going to click on the link and follow the directions. It might be something where you type a response to and say good morning to your friends, or it might be something where I'm asking you to make a video. If for some reason you don't have a web camera, it's okay. Don't worry about it. After you do that, there is a spotlight. So every day this week, I have a spotlight that showcases someone's fantastic work from last week. So stay tuned because next week you will probably be there. If you could please then tell me how you are feeling today, and I really enjoyed reading all of yours this week. So please make sure that if you are telling me how you feel, also type why you are feeling that way. So it kind of explains to me why you are having those feelings. Then you are going to do some independent reading, find a cozy spot and read for 20 minutes. You will watch a video and then you will do an activity where you're going to kind of figure out, maybe if I think and feel one way about something, others might think and feel about that same thing differently. You have a brain break. You're going to log into iReady. It's a little different this week. You only need to complete one lesson. So if it only takes you 10 minutes to do one lesson, that's perfect. Then you're going to watch a video, do an activity that has to deal with line plots and data and graphing. And then you have a video for social studies to watch today. And then your day is over. You will pack up. Okay, friends, can't wait to see all the wonderful things that you do today. Have a wonderful, marvelous Monday.